So once we cleaned up the skirt on the edges and we finished sewing the back of the skirt together, we're going to iron the back of the skirt open so we can add the zipper onto the back first. So we're going to get the back of the skirt, lay it out nice and flat. And then we're going to press the back seam open. I'm going to press it open until this opening here, where the opening is for the zipper. And then on one side of the zipper, we're going to press it open at 1/2 inch. So I'm just going to press one side, 1/2 inch. And then on the opposite side, I'm going to press it a little bit open, about 5/8 inch. So I'm going to fold it over 5/8. If you need a ruler to help you fold it and get your measurements, please do so. You're gonna fold it over, press it. So everything is nice and pressed open. So this is at 1/2 inch and this is a little bit more at 5/8. So now I'm going to flip the skirt right side out towards the back. So once you have it pressed open, it's going to look like this with the seam. So now we're going to place our zipper right in the center of it. And we're going to pin it together. So now we're going to place the zipper in the skirt. And the side where we fold it over 1/2 inch, we're going to pin it down first. So we're going to grab our pins and we're going to pin it. I want to make sure everything is nice and flat. And you want the teeth to show in the center. Like that. Then pin it down. Once you've pinned it down, you can go in using your zipper foot and you're going to sew it right next to the edge of this teeth all the way down to here. So this is what the lap zipper will look like. It's covering the seam on the inside, and then you just fold it over and it covers the zipper.